What is up, y'all? Welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. Woo! I didn't think I was gonna make it. I know. What did I say? 30 days of pouring into ourselves. This is a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day. So I cannot come in with the excuses. When I tell you, I'm like, I don't want to be on camera today. I want to do my hair. I want to do this. I'm so tired. I'm just working. No, this is a no excuse way. So me and my no makeup self putting on some earrings, slapping on this little cute ponytail and a scarf, and we making the video because I said it. Welcome back. To anyone who's new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When I tell you, these comments these past couple of days have really been like my light in the darkness, because I'm just like, when you get into the rhythm, into the flow of something, you're like, yes. Then by the time you get towards the end, you're like, man, you're on that final lap. You just want to just throw in the towel. You're like, man, I already came this far. But then you have to look on the other side. Look on the other side of the bus. You know that meme where the guy is sitting on both sides of the bus, and one side of the bus is like terrible weather and the other side is good weather? You have to say, I've come this far. And that's how I feel. I'm like, it is day, what is it? Day 27 of 30 days. 27. Like, dust your shoulders off right now. Dust your shoulders off. So no matter how tired I am, here I am with my water. Skin still looks nice. Yeah, do the challenge because your skin's gonna look nice. But today's song of the day, diving right in. I had to think about this one, but I looked at my wall and I said, yep, I know what song. What's your favorite Aaliyah song? Let me know. So moving forward onto picking your brain, my question for you today is, what do you tell yourself to get you through a day where you're tired or you're hungry or you just don't feel like it? I want to know what you tell yourself, because today, being completely honest, I feel like a boneless chicken nugget, or chicken wing, because I don't know who's eating those, but you only eat those when you're hungry, to be honest. I'm going for the actual chicken wing. Like, don't play with me. Are you a drum or a flat girly? Or I don't even know if you're a girl. So, do you like drums or flats? But moving forward onto more serious matters, let's dive into these affirmations. And I do want to give a shout out to everybody who's been commenting. Like, I have to say that again, because I literally will see the comments and be like, let me get up and go film this video, because I know they're waiting. It'd be 2-3 people, but it could be one person leaving a comment, one person liking the video. For me, that's enough for me to get up out of my bed. Even if nobody's commenting, I'm still gonna do it, but it gives me like a little boost of motivation to be like, I know they're waiting for this video, let me get on top of it. But moving forward into the affirmations today, they are focused on gratitude, because throughout everything we need gratitude. We need it. So let's go ahead and take 3 deep breaths. Inhale with me. And exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Last one, make it the deepest one of the day so far. Inhale. And exhale. And go ahead and do a little shake, a little shimmy. I don't know what stress or whatever you got going on, but shake it out for 1 second. Just for 1 second, okay? I am grateful for many things in my life that bring me joy and happiness. I am worthy of beautiful endings and exciting beginnings. I am eternally grateful for all the blessings that I have in my life. And with each blessing, I say thank you, as I make space and welcome in more. I am constantly reminding myself to enjoy all the good things that are currently present in my life. and know that I am the good thing in my life. I express deep appreciation whenever a blessing comes my way. My worth lies in the palm of my hands. Anything I desire, I ask, and I apply patience because I know that my faith will make it so. With every breath I take, I am bringing more and more gratitude into my life. I recognize that my life is meaningful and important. I am an impactful human being. And everything that I touch turns to gold. Today, I am deciding to focus on taking one step forward. Concentrating my focus on the good. Amidst any chaos, I have ways to keep myself grounded. I inspire joy in my life and the lives of those who come in contact with me. I choose to be kind to myself and love myself unconditionally. We're going to do that again. I choose to be kind to myself and love myself unconditionally. I know that no matter how old I get, I will always nurture the child that lives within me. I know that no matter how old I get, I will always nurture the child that lives within me. I see situations as reasons to grow and evolve as a human being. I see situations as opportunities to evolve and grow as a human being. Each day, even if it is for a few minutes, I take time to pause and be grateful. And you're right about that because you're doing it right now. I am thankful for each and every experience that I've went through. And today and forevermore, I am allowing things to come and go as they may. I recognize that a part of change is evolution. And I am allowing, and I am allowing myself to grow and glow through these phases and seasons without judgment. recognize that it is perfectly natural to get vulnerable, because it helps me to understand myself more. I am grateful to have the capacity to get vulnerable, to be vulnerable with myself. I realize that there may always be obstacles, but that gives space for my strength to come through. As I am experiencing constant change and growth. What Cleo still say? I'm a little wiser now. I hope that's what she said, if I'm getting the lyrics right. I have no fear that my future holds such beauty. For I know that as long as I keep light around me, it will continuously find me. Today, I am grateful for the love that I carry and the love that is on its way to me. Thank you guys for taking some time out of your busy schedule. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. We only have 3 days left. It's kind of crazy. It's like we just started this like a month ago. All right, I'll see you on the flip. This is my view from outside of my window. Like, isn't it so pretty? I can't wait to go on my walk. But anyways, see y'all tomorrow.